Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data governance with Collibra, detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate data governance with Collibra, begin by ensuring you have a solid understanding of your organization's data landscape. Identify the key stakeholders involved in data governance within your organization. Set up a meeting with these stakeholders to define the goals and objectives for your data governance automation. Next, log into your Collibra platform and navigate to the administration panel. Create or access the existing asset model that represents the structure of your data governance program. Define the business glossary terms that will be used throughout your governance framework. Map out the data domains which will help in organizing and categorizing your data assets effectively. Use the Collibra Designer. Implement data stewardship roles within your organization, assigning responsibilities for data governance tasks. Configure notifications and alerts in Collibra to keep stakeholders informed of workflow statuses and data issues. Integrate Collibra with your existing tools and systems to ensure a seamless flow of data governance activities. Use the Data Quality module to set up automated data quality checks based on your governance policies. Monitor the performance and effectiveness of your automated governance processes through dashboards in Collibra. Periodically review and adjust your automation strategies to align with any changes in your data governance goals. Train your team on using Collibra effectively to ensure they can leverage the automation tools provided. Document the entire automation process, creating a reference guide for your organization. Finally, solicit feedback from stakeholders to continuously improve your automated data governance practices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.